flying in the world, ladies and gentlemen. If any of you have the opportunity on Pearl Harbor to history, United States that was known. The bomb bay doors will open up. The Mustang fighter stays with her escort. At Air Show Center, under bomber crew in the B-25, keeping their eyes glued to the target, or keeping his eyes open for any enemy fighter aircraft, and joining the fray, representing the United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Grumman F-8F Bearcat. But high overhead and descending down, the Japanese Zero has the America cruise in its sights. The Zero tailing in on the Bearcat at your air show left, B-25 with her Mustang escort. Crew a chance to get set up and sighted in for the next attack. We'll be back in with the Mustang still on her wing, getting set up for the second bomber run. Ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready. Still on the tail of the Bearcat. The Bearcat pilot, not to be outdone though, maneuvering evasively to keep the Zero at bay. The Grumman Bearcat weighing in at almost twice the weight of the Japanese Zero, but the Japanese Zero, 1,000 pounds, powered bosses of your United States Navy as Cat pulls up and away. But the Bearcat directly behind the Zero, not to be outdone, sighting in on the Zero, ladies and gentlemen. Another successful direct hit, and in front of you now, the F-8F Bearcat guns have found their mark as the Zero starts smoking, and the fight is over. The bomber crew safe, the Mustang and the Bearcat making sure of that. From your air show, the attack on the target. What you call a successful run. And now, ladies and gentlemen, something you are not going